This is Mandar from Copper. I'm going to answer a basic question. What is a car insurance policy? Right? According to the Motor Vehicles Act of 1998, every car that runs on the Indian road, it is mandated by law that you should have a valid third party liability insurance policy, right? So only if you have this third party car insurance or bike insurance, then you will be allowed to run or ply on Indian roads. To comply with uh, the norms, all vehicles need to have this valid policy, right? So now, what's a third party liability car insurance policy? Well, such an insurance policy covers any financial liability that you might incur if your car meets in an accident, right? But what happens to the damages of your own car? Which means if you meet in an accident, then the other vehicle is covered, your life is covered by the insurance policy, but the damages to your own car, they are not covered in a third party liability insurance policy, which is the basic policy that is mandated by law. So if you want to cover your own damages to your own vehicle, then you need to have a comprehensive car insurance policy as opposed to just having a third party liability policy, right? So a third party legal liability, it might arise to any third party property, vehicle or a person, which is a result of the accident, right? But it doesn't cover the own damages. And if it does cover the own damages, then it's known as a comprehensive car insurance policy, right? So let's just understand this with an example. Let's say you have a third party liability policy, and what all will it cover? It will cover bodily injury, it will cover death, it will cover any property damage which is caused by your car or bike to any other individual, or owner of the other car or bike. uh, the financial losses that are suffered are compensated by the car insurance policy, right? But it will never cover your insured car itself, right? So here's the catch. So for covering your own vehicle, you need to have a comprehensive car insurance policy. So comprehensive car insurance policy is third party liability plus own damage cover, which gives complete protection to your car. So whenever you go ahead, make sure that you're asking for a comprehensive car insurance policy that will cover third party legal liability as well as own damages to your vehicle if at all you do end up in an accident. That's a lot. I hope you like this video.